Sir Noy,
Yes.
sino si Noy at si Seymour?
You know, um, parang feeling ko malapit na malapit. Parang feeling ko malapit na malapit yung pagiging ah, Nyoy Volante ni Seymour and vice versa, no? Unang-una, he's very awkward. Ako, I'm awkward. Alam ko that doesn't sound right kasi entertainer ako, kasi actor ako, kasi nag-gig ako. Pero yung totoong ako kasi, talagang ano lang, mahihain lang. Or kahit maloko, iba kasi yung maloko, pero di ba, na mapagbiro ka, pero gusto mo lie low lang. Parang, tapos at the same time, I'm a lover, you know, with my wife, mahal na mahal ko, with my daughter, mahal na mahal ko sila. And Seymour is like that. He loves Audrey. Ibibigay niya buong buhay niya para sa kanila. So yeah, isa yun. But also, um, tao. Tao si Seymour, tao si Nyoy Volante, na minsan may mga bagay na hindi mo malaman kung kukunin mo ba to kahit na ito yung consequences. Ayun, dumaan tayo sa ganyan, no? Lahat naman siguro tayo, di ba? But at the end of it all, si Seymour, as I can relate to him, no, is just someone who is living the life na nandun sa paligid niya. So like Seymour, he lives in Skid Row. Yun yung buhay niya. Minsan may success, minsan hindi. But it's trying to make it work.
Yeah. So, the material has been, in the open for quite some time. Ang matanda na yung material.
Yeah.
Pero what do you love the most about the Little Shops of Horrors?
Well, Little Shop of Horrors kasi, one of the things talaga that you love about it is the music. Music is amazing. Alam ko naman na siguro upon research yung mga sino ba sumulat nito? Alan Menken is also the writer of yung mga classics na talagang kinalakihan natin, minahal natin, like Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast, Aladdin. You know what I mean? So, dun pa lang panalo ka na eh. It doesn't matter if you're watching the movie or the musical. The music will always get you.
Sa tingin nyo, ano yung matututunan ng audience watching the play?
Definitely that you're definitely responsible for your own consequences. Kasi may mga choices dito na mahirap, pero at the end of it all, kung ano yung magiging decision mo, nasa sa'yo yun. Ikaw ang responsable doon.
Hanggang ngayon relevant pa rin yung ganyan.
Mm-mm.
Hindi siya nawawala.
Hindi siya nawawala.
Yeah. Of course, invite na po our viewers to catch you and watch the play.
Yes. Kumusta po sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin ngayon? Invite po namin kayo, Little Shop of Horrors, July 6 to 28 sa Maybank Theater. Sana manood kayo. It's a really, really good musical na talagang pinaghahandaan namin, pinaghihirapan namin para sa inyo. Matutuwa kayo, promise.